So you focus on problem solving. You create a requirement. Okay, that is your core job. Creating a requirement which is aligning with the business objective is your core job. Okay. You have to know what are the roles that are supporting you, and you should understand that role really well. And you have to reach out to them and take help from them. Okay. So you have a development team. Okay. Suppose the engineering and operations team. So you have to see that as a team that is supporting in developing. Okay. You should leverage them in efficiently developing things. Rather, you sit down with them and do it. So in general, you have engineering managers or scrum masters. Okay, you give away the requirement, you ask them to give a right quality and right product out of that in a timely manner. Okay, so you focus on problem solving. You create a requirement. Okay, that is your core job. Create customer proxy and you test your product. So that is in your scope. Okay, and you understand the business objectives, and you also see that business is in alignment with your ideas. You cannot take unanimous decisions saying that I'm going to implement this product and this feature. No, that is not how it works. You have to buy in. You have to have buy-in from business. Okay, so you have to understand that your role is like somewhat like this, like what exactly solves the customer problem and how we achieve business objective via product. So this is your scope of your role. Okay, so you cannot go out of that and do really scatter yourself and feel like I'm doing everything. That should not be the case. We should build systems and processes in such a way where you effectively use everything and structure everything so that they are doing their job where you do your job. Okay, so your job is to listen to the requirement and convert that into a product requirement and create a PRD or a user story or a feature by itself and help a development team or whoever is executing to make them understand that what is your vision or idea. So then it is their job to execute it and give it back to you. So you leverage system architects, solution architects, engineering managers, test architects, everybody, and also legal guys, compliance, okay, security, everybody. You leverage everybody in your system and solve the problem.
Yes, Sheikh. So you mean that
Yeah.
we have to be very strict to our boundaries. At the same time, we have to be interact with the people which we require. What are the requirements we need to be get it from other teams, but we have to engage with them. But we doesn't need intervene with their work. Like we need to be aware of like
No.
what exactly they are doing, but we have to be aware of like our boundaries.
Yes. So the best thing that you, as a statement, if you want to have to give, that is like whenever a solution architect comes with a solution and you have a better idea, you can propose it, but you can say that, okay, I leave it to your expertise. So you can put forward your perspective wherever it is required and only when you are confident. But at the end, the statement is, I leave it to your expertise and you have to go with expert opinion in any matter. Okay. So product manager himself is not an expert in everywhere unless it is backed by data and he firmly believes it.